Hello, my name is Christy, and this is the third grade worksheet, week 12. And so the first worksheet asks us to fill in the blank that is given here. And as you can see, there are three different equations that all use the same three numbers, 15, 5, and 10. So 15 minus 5 equals 10. We know that's true. 10 plus 5 equals 15. We know that's also true. And so what is 15 minus what equals 10? So in order to solve this, you just see that you look at the three numbers that they use. It's 15, 5, and 10, right? And in the last equation, you're given the two numbers 15 and 10. The only missing number is 5, which means that the missing number is probably going to be 5, or should be 5. And if you want to double check, you can do 15 minus 5, and you see that it equals 10. Same thing for number 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 plus what equals 8? The missing number in the last equation is 5, so the answer should be 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 plus what equals 9? It should be 6, and if you want to check it, 6 plus 3 indeed equals 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus what equals 2 would be 8, and you can check by doing 10 minus 8 and checking that it's 2, or you can draw it out for visual learners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10 dots. Minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 2 left. So that is how you solve the rest. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to. Let's do a big number actually. 32 plus 16 equals 48. Okay, so 32 plus 16 equals 48. 48 minus 16 equals 32. 48 minus what equals 16? So you're using the three numbers 32, 16, and 48. We have 16 and 48 here, which means that 32 should go into the blank. So don't be intimidated by the big numbers. You just have to find the missing number and plug it in. Okay, the second worksheet, multiplication. Okay, I'll solve all of these and you can check your answers. 6 times 4 is 24, 9 times 10 is 90, 3 times 4 is 12, 1 times 11 is 11, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 8 is 48, 5 times 4 is 20, 1 times 1 is 1, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 5 is 30, 10 times 2 is 20, 7 times 6 is 42, 2 times 4 is 8, 9 times 3 is 27, 8 times 10 is 80, 5 times 8 is 35? No, it's not 35, it's 40, my bad. 9 times 2 is 18, 5 times 2 is 10, 7 times 8 is 56, and 12 times 5 is 60. So you can do these. If you haven't have them memorized, then you can think 4 groups of 6. That means there's 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each have 6 dots in them. And if you count all the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You get your answer. Okay, and for these ones, when you multiply a number by 1, then you get the number itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, now on to addition. Okay, 65 plus 13 would be 78. 30 plus 35 is 65. 26 plus 43 is 69. 63 plus 72, 5, 7, 13. Okay, so you would do this by adding. So you can, I'm used to long division, so you would do 85 plus 35, and then 5 plus 5 is 10, so you put the 0 down here and put the 1, you transfer the 1 to the tens, and then 8 plus 3 is 11, plus the 1 up here that you transferred over would make it 12, so your answer would be 120. For number 6, 29 plus 48, 9 plus 8 is 17, you transfer the 1 over, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus the 1 that you transferred over, which makes it 7, so the answer would be 77. 4 plus 3 is easy, it's 7. 28 plus 39 8 plus 9 is 17. You transfer the 1 over. 3 plus 2 is 5. Add the 1 that you transferred, and it's 6. Let's try... Okay, so these numbers over here. 1, 2, 3 plus 3, 2, 1. If you add 3 and 1, you get 4. If you add 2 and 2, you get 4. And if you add 3 and 1 again, you get 4. So the answer is 444. 200 plus 30, 200, you just transfer the 3 to the tens place, and you get 230. Yeah, I think that's it. There's no more hard questions that you would struggle with. Okay, last worksheet, word problems. Sally has a total of 43 baseball cards to sell. She's able to sell 27 of the cards to Sammy. How many cards does Sally have left to sell? So she originally has a total of 43 baseball cards, and she sells 27 of them to Sammy. So you would subtract 43 baseball cards from 27 baseball cards. 13, the 3 would change into a 13 because you take a 10 from the 4, so the 4 would change into a 3. 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1, so Sally has 16 baseball cards left. Baseball cards. That is your answer. Mark has 5 pet fish in his aquarium. He buys 6 more from the pet store, but forgets to feed 3 of them, causing them to die. How many fish does he have left in his aquarium? So he has 5 pet fish. He buys 6 more. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. But he forgets to feed 3 of them, and so they die. So 3 of them die, so 11 minus 3 would be 8. So he has 8 fish left in his aquarium. Okay, number 3. Johnny shares his candy evenly with 23 friends at school. He has a total of 46 pieces of candy. If he gives out all of his candy evenly to his friends, how many does each friend get? So he has 23 friends at school, and he has a total of 46 pieces of candy. So if you want every friend to get an even amount of candy, what you have to do would be 46 divided by 23. And, oh, that's 2, my bad. 46 divided by 23. And how many times does 23 go into 46? You can guess and check. So 23, it's obviously not going to be 1, or you can try 1. 23 times 1, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, is 23. But we want to see how much it can get, like, the most. So we try 23 times 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, 46. It goes exactly into 46 2 times, so your answer would be 2. Each friend gets 2 pieces of candy. Don't forget to label your units, because so that the person grading your paper knows what exactly you're talking about. Amber has made 200 different kinds of earrings to sell on Etsy. 1/4 of the earrings are gold, 1/2 are silver, and the rest are multicolored. How many gold earrings does she have? So she has 200 different kinds, so 200 total earrings, and it asks how many gold earrings she has, so you can disregard the silver. And it says 1/4 of the earrings are gold. So how much is 1/4 of 200? So you divide 200 by 4. How many times does 4 go into 20? 5 times. So 4, because 4 times 5 is 20. So you put the 5 above the 0. 4 times 5 is 20, so you put the 20 below the 20. And then 20 minus 20, you get 0. Bring down the 0. How many times does 4 go into 0? 0 times 4 times 0 is 0, and then you get 0, a remainder of 0, which means that she has a total of 50 gold earrings. Box your answer, and yeah, that's it for the lesson 12 worksheet. I hope you understand everything now, and I hope you have a great rest of the week at school. Bye!